In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on Dubizzle. Whether you're a hiring manager or a small business owner looking to expand your team, Dubizzle is a popular platform that can help you reach a wide audience of job seekers. So let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to dubizzle.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to either log into your existing account or sign up for a new one if you don't have an account yet. You can do this by clicking on the Login or Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the page. Having an account is essential for posting ads, including job listings, so be sure to complete this step. Once you're logged in, look for the Place an Ad button. This is usually prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking on this will direct you to a page where you can choose the category of your ad. Since we're posting a job, go ahead and select the Jobs category. This will ensure your ad is placed in the appropriate section and reaches the right audience. Now it's time to choose the specific job category that aligns with the position you're offering. Whether it's sales, IT, admin, or any other field, pick the one that best fits your job opening. This helps potential candidates find your listing more easily when they search within their area of expertise. With the category selected, you can now enter the job details. Start with the job title, making sure it is clear and concise. A well-written job title can significantly impact the visibility of your listing. Next, you'll need to fill in additional information about the position. This includes writing a comprehensive job description, detailing the responsibilities and expectations. Be sure to also list out any specific requirements or qualifications needed for the role. If you wish, you can include the salary or compensation details, although this is optional. Setting the location is the next step. Clearly specify the city or work location where the job will be based. This is crucial for job seekers who are looking for opportunities in specific geographic areas. After all the details have been entered, take a moment to review your ad. Carefully check for any spelling errors or missing information. A well-proofed ad presents a professional image and ensures all necessary details are communicated effectively. Finally, once you're satisfied with the ad, click on the Post or Submit button. Your job listing will then be sent for approval. Once approved, it will go live on Dubizzle, making it accessible to thousands of job seekers. And there you have it, a straightforward way to post a job on Dubizzle. By following these steps, you can effectively reach potential candidates and find the right fit for your team. Thank you for watching and happy hiring.